this is amazing! You deserve it, sweetheart.
My bike's been broken for months.
Nice kick, Liam!
Thanks. Where's your mom? She's busy today.
That's my girl! Mom never cheers like that for me.
You did amazing, Liam.
Thank you.
Your mom must be proud.
No matter what I do, Mom never chooses me. Maybe she never will.
What is this? I wish Mom noticed me.
Where did all these come from? He won them. All of these? Most of them. You never told me. He stopped trying.
Thank you for giving me another chance.
I'm still trying.
I know, but I'm trying.
Hello? I slipped in the garden. What? Are you hurt? Nobody move. The puppy is scared. Can we save it? The water is too dangerous. Mom, look what I drew.
Not now, Liam. I'm busy.
Mom, can I have more strawberries?
Of course, sweetheart.
Mommy, do my ribbons look pretty?
You look beautiful, Sophie.
Mom, can you fix my backpack zipper?
Later, Liam.
Sophie, you can choose any flavor you want. Chocolate rainbow. Can I get one too?
You already had snacks earlier.
Nice kick, Liam!
Thanks. Where's your mom? She's busy today.
That's my girl! Mom never cheers like that for me.
Happy birthday, Sophie! Wow! It's the dollhouse I wanted!
I made you a card too.
Thank you, Liam. Mom, I got first place in science!
That's nice, Liam.
Mom, listen to my song!
Of course, sweetheart.
Mom, it's raining hard. Stay close to me. Can I come under the umbrella too? Just hurry home.
Why are you so quiet lately?
Mom always chooses Sophie.
Oh, sweetheart.
Maybe I'm not important.
Liam, your mother is coming, right?
She promised she would. She forgot again.
You did amazing, Liam.
Thank you.
Your mom must be proud.
Maybe. This is the best day ever!
I'm glad you're happy. Oh no.
Liam?
The play ended an hour ago.
What have I done? Today was fun. That's wonderful.
Liam, how was school?
Fine. What is this? I wish Mom noticed me.
Liam is hurting.
I know.
He feels invisible.
I never meant that. Want some hot chocolate? Thank you, Mom. Can we talk? I'm tired.
Your mom didn't help? She's busy.
You built this alone?
Yes.
That's incredible, Liam. Let me give you a hand.
No matter what I do, Mom never chooses me. Maybe she never will.
Mom, this is amazing! You deserve it, sweetheart.
My bike's been broken for months.
We'll fix it someday.
You always say that.
Liam is one of our brightest students. Is your mom coming?
She said she would.
What time?
An hour ago.
Oh,
This is the best weekend ever!
I'm so happy you're having fun.
I'll check later. Wait, this is so fun! I'm so proud of you.
if your mom had one wish, what do you think she'd wish for?
Sophie to be happy.
And you?
I don't think I'd be in the wish.
First place goes to Liam Parker. Maybe she'll come.
I wish Mom loved me like she loves Sophie. Oh my goodness.
Can I come in? Okay. I brought your favorite.
Why?
Because I wanted to.
You never used to.
Liam, have I really been that bad?
Do you want the truth?
Yes.
When Sophie cries, you run to her. When I cry, no one notices.
Good morning, Liam.
Morning.
I made hot chocolate for you.
Thanks.
And maybe a hug?
I'll be late for school.
Where did all these come from? He won them. All of these? Most of them. You never told me. He stopped trying.
Hey, champ. Mom, I wanted to watch. Why? Because you're important. You've never come before. Mom? Yes, sweetheart? Why is Liam always sad? Did I do something wrong? No, honey.
Your mom came today.
Yeah,
That's good, right?
I don't know.
Why not?
What if she stops again? Liam,
Yeah?
I'm sorry
For what?
for not seeing you.
I was right in front of you.
Need help?
You don't have to.
I want to.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Okay, thanks.
Mom spends lots of time with Liam now. How does that make you feel?
Strange.
Because you're sharing?
Maybe.
I have something important to say.
I haven't been fair.
That changes today.
What do you mean?
It means both of you matter equally.
It's raining so hard!
Stay close, both of you.
You remembered my umbrella.
I'll always remember now. Thank you for giving me another chance.
I'm still trying.
I know, but I'm trying.
Hello? I slipped in the garden. What? Are you hurt? I think I twisted my ankle. Mom, what's wrong? Is Grandma okay? Grandma fell. She's hurt. We need to help Grandma. I'll come too. Me too! Okay, everyone, hurry. This road wasn't flooded earlier. What do we do? We'll take another route. Is Grandma okay? Mom, look! It's a puppy! It's trapped! We have to help it! Nobody move! The puppy is scared! Can we save it? The water is too dangerous. Hold on!
I've got Sophie.
I'm scared! Don't worry, puppy! Sophie, stop! I've got you!
Sophie, save puppy finally. Everyone hold on.
I'm okay, Mom. You're safe now. And puppy happy.
You saved your sister. Of course. You could have been hurt.
She's my sister. I am so proud of you. Really?
There you are. Are you okay, Mom?
I'm much better now. We
we brought a puppy.
Why are your clothes soaked?
Liam saved me. He did what?
He risked himself for her.
The water was so fast, but Liam grabbed my hand.
I had to, she's my sister.
Liam,
Were you scared?
very scared.
Then why did you do it?
Because Sophie needed me.
That's what heroes do.
Liam,
Yeah?
thank you for saving me.
You do the same for me.
I love you.
I love you too.
I've never been more proud.
Neither have I. My brother is amazing.
Thanks. Tonight, we celebrate our hero.
Cheers.
Liam, I can't change the past, but I never want to miss another moment. You kept all these? Every drawing, every award, every memory.
Even the ones you missed?
Especially those.
Be brave, my love.
I will, Mom. Go, big brother.
Make us proud, dear.
I love you. Remember to write. I promise. We'll be waiting.
Liam,
Yeah, Mom? There is something I've wanted to say. You are brave.
and I am so lucky to be your mother.
I waited a long time to hear that.
Race you to the tree. You're on. We love you, Mom. We really do.
I love you both equally.